What's up everyone, it's DHWS Tests channel. Today on ArrayTech's unboxing and first look. A huge thanks to YouTube for authorizing this video. Box bottom side MI code and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. It's 2018 printed. Okay, let's open the box. Inside the box, front mobile phone here. More inside, small box inside, free case and booklet. Box inside, a C adapter here and USB cable. It's micro USB cable. I feel very good. The weight of 175 is actually very low. I don't see if it's easy to happen in the current crowd. How can I save the environment? Can I give you some help? I will come up with a place worth reading and share with you. In fact, in terms of design, this mobile phone, and I know the goodwill is the design. I have not had a good self. Today, many mobile phones released today are either corporate performance or natural gas. The ArrayTech is a bold presence in the price segment, from the vibrant display which makes consuming HD content on it a delight. The remarkable cameras take rich pictures with much detail and appreciable color reproduction. The power-packed configuration underneath aids the experience tremendously by delivering a smooth user experience through most apps and games. Lastly, the sizable battery ensures that your usage remains uninterrupted. However, a user might face problem while carrying the device since it is very large. Overall, it is a good buy in the segment if you can overlook the minor hiccups. Sandwich structure: it is the whole number 2.51 glass and metal frame between the lines is very smooth and no spit feeling. This Life 66 hollow volume button and switch check with 3.5mm headphone hole is still angry and a micro USB port. This is also my feeling, as a pity the only thing he has is the glory of the 139 glory. The long term and the expression can be understood. It is worth mentioning that the left side is better than the 3 cards. The design can be the worst to some cards. Download the next chapter X. Play big in this post off the BlueStack Lyrics 400GB for you. Let's test benchmark test C guys. This phone Snapdragon 710 same Xiaomi Mi 8 SE. Let's look the result. Yep, it's not bad. 138,699. Good. Let's look gaming review. On the camera department, the front camera is 16MP and takes detailed selfies. And call Senor. This phone flashes 20MP plus 2MP dual primary cameras with depth and dual flash which click sharp, lifelike pictures with pleasant color reproductions.